Okay, here's the revised layout for the entertainment center, and it sounds like a bank of cabinets is wanted under here as well. But a few things to work out first is this sketch for the subwoofers, 15 inches on the inside. They're stacked, 90 wide, 61 tall. So right now, if we look at an elevation view, here's our 15 and a quarter to have a little bit of wiggle room. "90 inches wide, and then this cabinet here is only 52 tall. So to get that 60-inch height, we don't have. So I think we're going to have to get some smaller subwoofers. That's the only way to push this countertop down. This wood top or stone top that you want to do. Because right now, the top of this countertop is 41 inches, 42 inches off the ground because of these numbers that we need to chase down here. So let me know what we want to do and we can revise this.